Abby, Evan, we wanted to get a better understanding of why the State Board of Education made that decision today, so we did some reading. We read through this original complaint that was addressed by Mustang Public Schools. We also looked at the original law that was passed, HB 1775, as well as the rules that were handed down by the State Board of Education following the issuing of those rules. And from what we found, the State Board did act within their bounds, but they went further than they necessarily had to. House Bill 1775 was passed in 2021, designed to ensure students were not being taught that they should feel guilty or racist because of their own race or gender.
We can and should teach this history without labeling a young child as an oppressor or requiring he or she feel guilt or shame based on their race or sex. I refuse to tolerate otherwise.
The person who complained in Mustang said a class activity, quote, violated MPS board policy by making an individual feel discomfort, guilt, or anguish on account of his or her race or sex. The district says it confirmed the complaint was true and implemented a plan to make sure it did not happen again. Oklahoma's Education Association told me today punishing a district for one violation scares teachers. They said, quote, it is offensive that the majority of state board members believe an overly punitive punishment would help deter future violations. This assumes that without this level of punishment, teachers would break the law. The law outlines on a scale where violating schools should be placed. The state moved Mustang one step beyond that. Accreditation will be reviewed for both Tulsa Public Schools and Mustang Public Schools 1 year from now. If they're found in violation of these rules again, they could face more punishment. In this case, it would be probation as the next option. Reporting live in Oklahoma City, I'm Andy Weber, KOCO 5 News.